In this video, we'll be converting from degree measure that will have some decimals or some value after the decimals to degrees, minutes, and seconds, okay? So the first thing we need is the conversion factors. So by now, you guys should have done some dimensional or unit analysis in some earlier math classes and some science classes. So the conversion factors we're gonna need, 1 degree equals 60 minutes, okay? This is the unit for minutes. And 1 minute equals 60 seconds, okay? And this would be the unit for seconds there, the double apostrophe there. Make sure you know, okay, this is we're talking about angle measure here. This is not a time for minutes. This is not time seconds. This is for angle measure, okay? If you think about how a GPS works, every location has a longitude and a latitude, and the exact value is given in degrees, minutes, and seconds, okay? And that's the angle location for wherever you may be in the world or wherever you want to go, okay? So we want to be able to convert from decimal form, which is what this is, to degrees, minutes, seconds, which some people call DMS, okay? So the first thing we've got here, we've got 23.45 degrees, okay? So we have 23 full degrees, and then we've got this part of another degree, okay? So we're between 23 and 24 degrees, all right? So my answer is going to have 23 degrees. The question is, what is 0.45 in terms of minutes and seconds? And I'm going to use these conversion factors to help me get that, okay? So again, degrees, I'm going to have 23 degrees, and I'm going to take what's left over. What's after the decimal here is 0.45, okay? So that's 0.45 degrees, and that's going to help me find the minutes, okay? Well, 0.45 degrees, I'm going to use this conversion factor. I'm going to multiply by what is 1, 60 minutes over 1 degree. 60 minutes is 1 degree, so I'm just multiplying by 1 here. So 0.45 times 60 over 1 is going to be 27 minutes. Now that comes out to be a whole number. That means there aren't going to be any seconds for this one. So 23.45 degrees is exactly 23 degrees and 27 minutes, okay? If you go back to this calculation right here, this is degrees in the numerator, this is degrees in the denominator, so those degrees cancel out, and the only unit that's left over is the apostrophe there, which represents minutes, okay? So 23.45 degrees is 23 degrees, 27 minutes, okay? Let's do another one. We've got 72.358 degrees, okay? So we've definitely got 72 degrees, okay? Now, in order to find the minutes, we're going to take what's after the decimal, this 0.358, and we're going to multiply by this conversion factor again, by 60 minutes over 1 degree, okay? So 0.358 degrees times 60 minutes over 1 degree, the degrees cancel out. When you multiply 0.358 times 60, you get 21.48 minutes, okay? I'm going to take the whole number, that's the number of minutes I have. I'm going to need the part that's after the decimal to figure out how many seconds I have, okay? So, seconds. I'm going to take this 0.48. I'm going to multiply it by 60 seconds over 1 minute, okay? The minutes units cancels out. My unit left over is going to be seconds here. So 0.48 times 60 is 28.8 seconds, okay? So, to convert 72.358 degrees to degrees, minutes, seconds, I've got 72 degrees, 21 minutes, and 21.8 seconds, okay? So that's how you convert from a decimal form of degree measure to DMS or degrees, minutes, second form.